Okay, it looks like we're where we want to be, and shut the water off. Get a couple pumps. Make sure I have my drill. Here's my drill. Let me change my drill bit out. Okay, drill bit is set. We'll lock it in place. Give me a second. Okay, so give it a couple pumps of gas. See if we get something in there. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. Nope, I can feel it. It's pumping something. I can see it moving right there. We're going to move this over to start. Choke on. Let's see what happens. Getting there. I do have to remember that once it starts, I got to take that drill off right away. But I think after this, I can put the part back on. Put this over here. Let's change this over here to lean. Lean. How about that? Let's try that. Here we go again. Oops. Here we go again. There's more gas here. It wants to start. Wow, pretty cool. Let's get at it again. I'm gonna go a little bit more on the low speed here. Start up again. Very good. Well, I know that it wants to start, it wants to go. That's good. And we'll keep on working with it.